Hi, I feel very lucky that in our home area, Sussex, we have a diverse range of nature reserves and some lovely countryside to enjoy. One of these, managed by the National Trust, is Cuckmere Haven, which is an area of floodplains where the River Cuckmere meets the English Channel about halfway between Eastbourne and Seaford. The river is an example of a meandering river and contains several oxbow lakes. Cuckmere Haven is home to a large variety of wildlife and has a rich ecosystem. I've visited on many occasions and photographed redshank, heron, cormorants, little grebe and egrets, to name but a few. I chose Cuckmere for my first outing for 2022, and it was a very pleasant morning, but we did suffer a couple of heavy showers. Fortunately, they were brief, and I had sufficient warning to get the camera under cover before it got too wet. Canada geese are regular visitors to Cuckmere Haven. I didn't actually see any in flight today, but there were quite a few lurking around. It wasn't long before I saw my first egret, busy hunting. Also cormorant and one of many swans. After a particularly heavy shower passed through, I got the camera out again and there was this flock of little grebe. Delightful little birds, but I've never actually seen one in the air. Well, that's the end of this morning's little trip to Cuckmere Haven. I hope you found that enjoyable. Here are a few of the still images I've managed to take of the egret and the red shank. I've also included a few photographs of a heron, but I will confess that I took that on a trip about the same time of year, but 2 years ago, back in 2020. But it's certainly a place I enjoy visiting, as do many others. Well, I hope you found this enjoyable. If so, please give it a like, and if you want to know about any of the future ones I plan to make, then please subscribe. In the meantime, look after yourselves and stay safe.